In this video, we will learn how to clear cache by using the restore point in window. So let's start. Just type here to search the restore point. Okay, it's searched and click on the open. Here the system properties dialog box is open. In protection setting, select the C drive and click on the configure. Here the system protection for local disk C drive. Okay, so restore settings, disk space uses. You can adjust the maximum disk space used for system protections. As space fill up, older restore point will be deleted to make the room for the new ones. The current uses 7.22 GB. You just select the delete, click on the delete option, and you can continue to delete all restore point. You will not able to undo the unwanted system changes on this drive. Are you sure want to continue? This will delete all restore points on this drive. This might include the older system image backups. So just click on the continue and you can clean up your caches. That's it. Hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.